Good morning, students. I will discuss now today mock test. First mock test. Few answer I will discuss now. Okay. Now see question number. I'm telling number one, right? One sum. Look at here. Suppose limit x tends to 0, x log x. Okay. How to solve? Limit x tends to 0, x log x. Option is there 1, 0, 2 and half. Option 1, 0, 2 and half. See, look at here. Suppose limit x tends to 0, we can write log x by 1 by x. Okay. You put log 0, infinity, 1 by 0 also infinity. The form is here infinity by infinity. So using L'Hospital's rule, so limit x tends to 0, log x, all of you know 1 by x, 1 by x ddx 1 by x minus 1 by x square. Okay, minus 1 by x square. So limit x tends to 0, 1 by x into minus x square. So it will be here limit x tends to 0 minus x equal to 0. So option 0. 0 answer is there. Okay, 0 answer. So option is question B. The answer is B. Okay. Now second question. Look at here. Second question. If Rolle's theorem is not applicable, here Rolle's theorem is not applicable for the function fx equal to mod x. Fx equal to mod x for the interval is given minus 1 1 due to given f is not differentiable in the given interval. So all of you know the given function is continuous at x equal to 0 but not differentiable, because here left hand derivative not equal to right hand derivative at the point x equal to 0. Here for Rolle's theorem, all of you know the three conditions are there. Okay, three conditions are there. First is given function is continuous in the closed interval. Here mod x is given. Okay, whatever interval is given, it is continuous. At the point x equal to 0, given function is continuous. But the function is not differentiable at the point x equal to 0. Here left hand derivative not equal to right hand derivative. Okay, left hand derivative not equal to right hand derivative. Okay, that's why given function is not differentiable. Okay, at the point x equal to 0. So here first option is there, f is not differentiable in minus 1 to plus 1. F is not continuous for the integral values of x. F of minus 1 equal to f of 1. Okay, here this condition is satisfied. Okay, none of these, but given function is also continuous. Okay, but the given function is not differentiable at the given interval. Okay, so here first option is correct. Here first option is correct. Okay, now next question. Now next question. See, here is given y equal to sine 2 sine inverse x, then 1 minus x square y2 minus xy1 plus ky equal to 0. Then what is the value of k? See, y equal to is given y equal to sine 2 sine inverse x. Okay, now so all of you know y1 equal to cos 2 sin inverse x, d dx of this will be 2 by root 1 minus x square. Okay, now squaring both sides, y1 square into 1 minus x square, you can write 4 cos square 2 sin inverse x. So y1 square into 1 minus x square equal to 4 cos square, you can write 1 minus sin square 2 sin inverse x. Okay, so 4 into 1 minus y square. See, this value is given y. Okay, so y1 square 1 minus x square 4 into 1 minus y square. So again differentiate. So this part will be 2 y1 y2 1 minus x square minus twice x y1 square equal to 4. This part will minus 2y y of y1. Okay, so now 2y1 cancel both the sides. Okay, so write y2 1 minus x square minus xy1. Here 2 and cancel, minus 4y, so will be plus 4y equal to 0. Here is given ky. Okay, question paper is given ky. Then the value of k equal to 4. The value of k equal to 4. Okay, here first y1 find out, sin will be cos 2 sin inverse x, d dx of 2 root 1 minus x square. Again squaring both the sides, y1 square 1 minus x square. Okay, 4 cos square 2 sin inverse x. Cos square can be 1 minus sin square, that is 4 1 minus y square. Again differentiate with respect to x. So 2y1 y2 1 minus x square minus twice x y1 square. Okay, equal to 4 minus 2y y1, and take 2y and both the sides common. Okay, cancel 2y1 cancel. So y2 1 minus x square minus x y1, you take that side 4y equal to 0. So k equal to 4. K equal to 4. Okay, next question is there. Next question is there, right? The derivative of an odd function. Question is there, the derivative of an odd function is given odd, even, none of these. Okay, so all of you know the derivative of an odd function is even and even function is odd. Okay, the derivative of an odd function, suppose you write f of x equal to, right, shortcut method, we can write x cube. See, this is odd function. Why odd function? If we put suppose f of minus x, so minus x whole cube. Okay, that is minus x is cube, that is minus f of x. So f of minus x equal to f of minus f of x. That is how it is. Okay, yes. So it is an odd function. Dx find out. So f dot minus x equal to minus 1 here. So it will be plus f dot x. So this is still even function. Otherwise f of x, right, x is cube. So f of x, right, x is cube. So if this function is odd function, derivative, so find out. So f dot x you can write 3x square. Now see, x square is the 3 constant, so x square is even function. So the derivative of an odd function is even. Similar way, the derivative of an even function is odd. Okay, keep in mind the derivative of an odd function is even and the even function is odd. Okay, now next question is that f of x equal to kx square by 3. See, f x equal to kx square by 3, here given f of x equal to kx square, where x less or equal to 2 and equal to 3 is given, when x greater than 2. Given function is continuous is given. The function is continuous at x equal to 2. Then find the value of k. How to solve? Okay. So no need to prove continuous. Given is continuous is given at the point 2. So first I write only limit, all of you know x tends to 2, f of x equal to, you can write f of 2. Okay, f of 2. So right, if dot is this part, we can write twice x, no? So twice kx. We can write twice kx ddx. Okay, the limiting value. Wait. So here limit x tends to 2, kx square. Okay, x greater than 2, given 3 is there. So here 4x, we can write now here 4kx. So you can write 4kx equal to 3. Right hand limit at x equal to 3 is given. Left hand limit kx square. Okay, so right, you put the value 4k equal to 3, then k equal to 3 by 4. K equal to 3 by 4. Okay, left hand limit is here 3 and left hand limit equal to 3. Okay, and right hand limit equal to 4k. So 4k equal to 3. So k equal to 3 by 4. So option is 3 by 4. Here f2 is given. F2 is given. F2 equal to, you put the value here 4k. Okay, and here this is 3. So k equal to 3 by 4. So option is 3 by 4. Okay, and another function, A is a finite set containing m elements. Then the number of relation from the set A to A. So we know if suppose A contains m element and N contains n elements, then total number of relation will be 2 to the power m into n. Here both the element having, both the sets having same element, so it will be 2 to the power m square. 2 to the power m square, m into n, so 2 to the power m square. Okay, and so question number 1 here, this question is, option is A. And tan inverse next sum, so next sum is there 2m square, tan inverse right. So tan inverse right, tan inverse 2 cos 2 sin inverse half. Okay, the option is there pi by 2, pi by 4 and 2 pi. Pi by 2, pi by 4 and 2 pi. Okay, see 2 sin inverse half. Okay, so this value half, you know, sin 30 degree. So here tan inverse we can write 2 cos 2 into pi by 6. Okay, so tan inverse 2 cos will be pi by 3. So tan inverse 2 cos 60 half, the value is half. So tan inverse 1. So tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. So tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Okay, so here this question option number is C. Answer is C. Okay. and this function is given, one function is given, f of x equal to x cube if mapping R to R, real number to real number, the given function is always 1 1 on 2 function, 1 1 on 2, because for 1 1 we know 1 1 relation is there, mapping here f of x1 equal to f of x2, okay, then x1 cube equal to x2 cube, here you can write x1 cube minus x2 cube equal to 0, then x1 equal to x2 on 1 function, and here is also you get a on 2 function also, okay. Suppose y belongs to R, then x cube equal to y, x equal to y to the whole 1/3, which belongs to real number. So this is 1 1 on 2 function, 1 1 on 2 function, okay. Next, not there. Next exercise I am doing another question, okay. Few another question I am asking you. Suppose, see, next question is there. See, limit x tends to, suppose limit x tends to pi by 6, here 3 sin x minus root 3 cos x by 6x minus pi, okay. If we put this one, the form is 0 by 0 form, okay. Just to using L'Hopital, all of you know that is pi by 6, here 3 cos x, here plus root 3 sin x by 6. Just input the value 3 cos pi by 6 plus root 3 sin pi by 6 by 6. That is 3 cos 30 degree root 3 by 2 plus root 3 into half by 6. So here 4 root 3 by 2 into 1 by 6, okay. That is cancel root 3 by 3, that is 1 by root 3, correct. Correct option is 1 by root 3, okay. Correct option is 1 by root 3, okay. Next, next one, say, suppose limit x tends to infinity 2 plus x 40 into 4 plus x, here 5 by 2 minus x whole 45, okay. Obviously no direct answer. How to remember this part? Look at here, the power of x is here 40, here is highest power 5 is there, the total power, the product is there, so total power is 45, okay. Again down you see 2 minus x whole to the 45, so highest power x is here 45 here, so minus here minus 1 whole to the power 45, okay. That is minus 45, here minus x to the 45, okay. See, so here highest power, the power of x 45, the coefficient of x to the power 45, coefficient 1 is there, and down is there, here also both the power equal, both the power equal, here also 45 x power, here also minus 45, both the power equal, okay. So coefficient of this 1, here coefficient of this minus 1, so minus 1, answer is minus 1, okay. Answer is direct minus 1, okay. Similar way, next term, See, 1 minute, just I am telling. If both the power is same, suppose limit x tends to infinity, right? Ax square plus bx plus c by, suppose bx square plus qx plus r. Okay, see here the power of x square is here, power x 2, here also 2, equal power is there, its coefficient a, its coefficient p, so answer is direct a by p. Okay, direct you write a by p, both the power is equal. Okay, how? Look at here, suppose right here the answer is here a by p. See here x tends to infinity is there, both the power x square, so dividing by both by x square, a plus b by x plus c by x square, here p plus q by x plus r by x square, so here this part will be 0, this is 0. Okay, so answer is a by p. Look at here, a by p. Suppose this part is here, wait, suppose the power is here px cube plus qx plus r, so answer will be 0. Okay, see here coefficient p, here x square coefficient a, x cube coefficient p is given. Okay, so here this power coefficient of x cube, okay, power, this is denominator power. Okay, here numerator, the denominator power is greater than numerator power. Okay, so the answer will be 0. The answer will be right direct 0. So look at here, this power will be 0. Okay, the answer is 0. See here divided both sides by x square. Okay, so limit x tends to infinity, right? X square common, that is a plus b by x, bx by this b by x, c by x square. Here take x cube common, p plus q by x square plus r by x cube. Okay, now so here x is there, this is 0, this is also 0, this also 0. Okay, 1 by x, 1 by infinity is given, so 1 by infinity is 0. Okay, 1 by infinity equal to 0, so direct answer right. Okay, so keep in mind the denominator power is here greater than numerator power. Okay, so answer will be 0. If the power is equal, answer will be coefficient of x square by coefficient of here denominator x square. Okay, and numerator x square. Power, if power is same, if both the power is same, then the answer will be coefficient of denominator by the coefficient of numerator, that is the highest coefficient. Okay, okay, next see, suppose limit n tends to infinity, right? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square by n cube. See, so limit n tends to infinity, right? N into n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6n cube. 1 and cancel, n square is there, so 1 by 6. Limit n tends to infinity, right? N plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by n square. See here 2n square, coefficient power here n square, the coefficient of n square 2, here is 1, so answer is 1 by 6 into 2, that is 1/3 answer. Both the coefficients, see here n square, here 2n square, The coefficient of n square 2 and down is 1. The 2 by 1, that is 2. 1 by 6 and 2, one third answer is there. Okay. Now, no more today. Next class again I will discuss few MCQ question paper. Okay. Okay. Bye.